Hi, Dr. Q and Joeylynn here from Star Nursery. It's time to talk about your lawn. In the desert Southwest, a beautiful lawn isn't just about fertilizer. It's about the precision of your irrigation system.
Whether you have fescue or a mature Bermuda lawn, sprinkler irrigation can be highly effective and water-wise, but only if the system is tuned for peak performance.
Success starts with the irrigation controllers, also known as timers or sprinkler clocks. If it's old and inaccurate, you're wasting money and water.
A smart clock is a game changer. Once programmed, it can automatically adjust for each weather event and maintain compliance with local watering groups.
Star Nursery is a partner with Southern Nevada Water Authority. We provide instant rebates right at the register for approved smart controllers. It's an easy way to save money up front and on your monthly bill. Next, find your valve box and run a manual cycle to ensure water is moving. You should hear the water begin to flow through the valve as it opens. Check that there is no leaks or drips around the valves themselves.
But don't stop at the valve box. Follow the water into the yard. As each station turns on, walk the lawn to make sure every pop-up is standing tall and every nozzle is spraying clear. You're looking for broken heads, geysers from missing nozzles, or even heads that are stuck in the mud. The key is precise head-to-head coverage. Sprinkler spray patterns must overlap. If that doesn't reach, you'll get brown patches in the middle of your turf or dry corners at the edges.
For those tricky spots near the head, we have undercut nozzles. These have a second arch that sprays downward to water the grass right at the base of the sprinkler. And for the edges that aren't a perfect angle, use variable nozzles that are easily adjustable.
Whether you need to repair a leak, expand, or completely overhaul your system, Star Nursery has everything you need. Visit any of our locations to speak with our highly trained irrigation specialists.
Just bring in a simple drawing of your yard with the measurements, and our specialist will help you design the perfect layout and make sure you have everything you need to complete your project.
For more expert tips on this and other gardening topics, visit starnursery.com.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Joeylynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.